another episode of Lagos Housewives. Eat natural, live healthy. Today, I am going to be making something in my pressure cooker. You can already see it in front of me. And I'm going to be making one of my simplest, most amazing recipes. Potatoes in minced meat. No. Potatoes and veggies in minced meats. Let's just say I'm going to be using potatoes, I'm going to be using minced meat, and I'm going to be using different kinds of veggies. And it is absolutely delicious with simple spices. You know, here, this is a no seasoning cube, no artificial spices thing, all natural, all delicious. And this recipe, if you do not have a pressure cooker, you can do it in your regular pot. There's nothing special about it. The same work the pressure cooker will do is the same work a regular pot will do, only that this one will do it much, much faster. So, should we start? We should start? Yes, we should start. Put on the saute function. Add a little oil into the pan. I'm using groundnut oil, and let that heat up. Once the oil is hot, add in your minced meat. The aim is to brown the meat, not to fry it. So we're just going to brown it. Add salt to taste and uziza powder. And stir everything together. Then leave it, let it brown a little bit more. It's now time to add in all the other ingredients. Red bell pepper, onions, green bell pepper, carrots, green peas, green paste, garlic, ginger and onion paste, Holy Spirit spice, thyme, curry, small blended habanero. You can add water, but I have leftover coconut milk, so I'm going to add that. I'll also add water because that's not enough. Then the diced Irish potatoes. You can use any potatoes you want. You can also use yam. You can also use unripe plantain. You don't have to stick to only Irish. Mix everything together. Make sure you mix it very well. Taste for salt, and if needed, add more salt. Cover. Make sure you lock it and make sure this is set in the right position. The seal should be locked. Cancel the saute function and put it on steam. I want it on high pressure. So we'll leave that. You can see 15 minutes all done. My potatoes and veggies and minced meats, they are ready. But I just want it to depressurize naturally so that it won't lose all the steam. Let me show you what will happen if I choose to depressurize it myself now. That's what will happen if I choose to depressurize it now. See? But let's leave it to depressurize by itself. So I'll just leave it for like 5 minutes. Then when I open it, it won't do that. Time to see our yummilicious meal. Ooh. Can you see that? Let me serve this for you. So delicious. Can you see that? Kai, I wish you can taste it. But don't worry, I'll taste it for you. So that is it on today's episode of Eat Natural, Live Healthy. This is amazing. You can drink it like a soup. You can actually thicken it up. If you want to thicken it up, just add a little bit of flour, any kind of flour you have, and just stir it in and let the residual heat do that. Then it will thicken up. Or you can drink it like soup. As it is like this, you can eat it alone, or you can use it to eat rice or anything you want. So till next time, I hope you try this recipe. It's actually really one of my favorites. I make it a lot and my family loves it. So I look forward to seeing you again on another episode where I'll be teaching you another delicious, healthy, natural food. Don't forget my thumbs up and follow, turn on notifications. You don't want to be missing anything. No, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.